Outback Swaggies, down in the beautiful Dwellingup area at the moment, camping. Going to cook up a nice big feast here. We got slow cooked beef cheeks, something a little bit special. So first things first, you get a tin. Cheers. Oh, mother's milk. Right, first things first, so we're going to get these beef cheeks out. If you've never had beef cheeks, go to your butcher, speak to them and get some. Want to get some salt and pepper on these, season them up nicely, don't be shy. Using this flake salt here, there you go. Love flake salt, got to use it. What do you guys like to cook when you come out camping? Leave a comment below if you like. Tell me another good recipe to do. Haven't done these out in the bush, so it's going to be a bit of a new one, but I'm sure they'll turn out well. Yeah, I'm just going to put those to the side for the moment, get onto these veggies. So, got onion, garlic, carrots and celery, the holy trinity. Got to use all these. So, stock the ends off of them. Nice and easy, you've seen this before. It's the great thing about being in the bush. And this is going to be slow braise for a few hours, so you don't need to have real little veggies, otherwise they'll just disintegrate into nothing. How good's Dwellingup? Have you ever been to Dwellingup? Make sure you get down here and check it out. It's a good little spot, not too far from Perth. So a whole onion, why not? Get it in there, it's all flavour. And about, look, 3-4 cloves of garlic. Alright. Now that your prep's done, now the easy part. So we'll get this and we'll go over to the fire. Grab me oil. So I've had my Dutch oven on the fire for quite a while now, and it should be rearing hot. So we'll get them off. Nice, lovely. Alright, so everything's all cut up now. I'm going to take this over to the fire. Actually, I might bring that over to here, so that helps a little bit easier. Yeah, let's do that, because this thing is bloody hot. Send this up here. Get these beef cheeks in there browning off. Oh yeah, listen to that, that's what you want. Right, take this back over to the fire. Get that right on there, get that going. You really want to get some colour on these things. You know what they say, colour means flavour, so we want all of that. Right, get a tongue. Alright, let's go have a look at these. nicely. Now beef cheeks, you've got to really slowly cook these things. As you can imagine, your cheeks on a cow, they're munching away all day, they're working hard. So there's a lot of connective tissue in there. You really need to slowly break that down. And to do that, we're just going to cook it really low and slow. Nice bit of colouring on there. We might take them out once they're browned off a little bit more. We'll take them out onto a plate, get those veggies in there, get them going nicely, just sauteing those. So give it a little bit, back in 5 minutes, I'll have another sip of my beer. I think these are caramelised enough, browned enough. Nice bit of browning on those. I'll whip those out. A little bit more oil. Straight in with the veg. Right, so now we want to get some seasoning into these veggies. Heaps of pepper, gotta love pepper. I'm not going to put any salt in there because I'm seasoning these beef cheeks. Then I'm going to put some stock in with this, so could be some salt in the stock. So it's got salt and pepper and a bit of smoked paprika. It's always good. There. You lose some, it's alright, don't worry about it. Now some thyme, I love thyme, gotta have it. Got a whole pack here. Strip as much as you can up, get it in there, don't worry about the stalks. It's all flavour, pick them out in the end. These look nice and sauteed now, so you go in with the beef cheeks, put them in there. Secret ingredient, there is a secret ingredient. Orange juice. The cheaper the better. You got some red wine, some beef stock, some orange juice. That's going to be the liquid to this. So. Now I know they say, well I have heard that you shouldn't put acid or wine into these cast iron pots, but I want beef cheeks, so. Nice plug. Bit of orange juice. Now those sugars in there are going to caramelise and get real sweet. Make this extra special. Trust me, it does make a difference. Now I'm just going to top this up. Just cover the beef cheeks. Beef stock. That'll be enough. A bit more for luck. Just going to give those a bit of a mingle. Let them get to know each other. Look at that looks good already, doesn't it? Right. That's it. On with the lid. Well, that's all it takes. Now I'll let that cook for 4-5 hours. And serve that with, I don't know yet, might do some mashed potato. Creamy mash is always a winner. There's a bit of a hassle out here though. Or I might just do some baked potatoes in the fire there. So stay tuned and in a bit, see the end product.
Cheers.
Alright guys, so it's what, 6:30, I thought it was 7, but 6:30 now. Pretty sure this beef cheeks is all done. Sorry about the lighting, this light's probably going to be real terrible, but we're going to finish it off. We decided to do some mash, so we'll mash them up and then we'll serve up these beef cheeks. So they're smelling pretty good, so I haven't had a look at them yet, so you're going to be privy to that. Alright, so here we go. Drain the spuds. They're getting in there. They're good to mash now, so we'll pull them up and do that. Alright. How does this thing look? Oh,
wow, look at that. Look at that. That looks amazing.
Nice bit of sauce in there. That's caramelised nicely. Oh, this is going to be so good. Right, time to dish up. A couple of plates. Bit of creamy mash. Or thereabouts. Oh mate,
that looks amazing. Look at that. Wow.
Right, that's just melting away. Just how beef cheeks should be. So you can cut it with a spoon.
God, that looks amazing.
Some of that sauce in there. And the thyme stalk.
Just look, that just looks so cool. You outdone yourself, Phil.
Perfect amount. Look at that. I'll tell you what, I am impressed with myself. So, you guys are probably saying nothing but steam. But here we go, have a look. How's that looking for you? Hey?
Looking bloody good for me.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, you can just falling apart. Just how you want them. That's had 4 hours on the fire, which is pretty good actually. I'd love to do that for a little bit longer, but hey, eat when you can, drink when you can, you get what you can. So this is what we got tonight. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, Roop.